Hello everyone, this is RKV and you are watching Unreal Universe. So it's time for Note 9 news. First of all, the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 is confirmed to be coming with that 4000 mAh battery and faster wireless charging. Samsung Galaxy Note 9 is still a few months away from its launch, but reports about the device have already started to increase the hype. The renowned leakster Ice Universe has revealed that Galaxy Note 9 will feature an impressive 4000 mAh battery capacity, and he said that he is 100% sure about that. Samsung's new wireless charger with serial number EPN6100 has recently been certified by the FCC with an input rate of 12 volt and 2.1 ampere, suggesting that Samsung Galaxy Note 9 may support faster wireless charging. And the other news about the Galaxy Note 9 is that the Galaxy Note 9 may be coming with a dedicated camera button. We know that the Note 9 is not coming with a lot of changes in terms of design, but one major additional change could be the physical camera shutter button on the Note 9, which has never been seen on a Galaxy flagship ever. South Korean publisher Herald reports that the Samsung has filed for a perfect capture technology trademark, which is linked to a physical button on the Galaxy Note 9. Besides dedicated camera functions, it could also add screen capture controls. The button will be placed on the lower left side of the phone. So after hearing all that, what do you think about the battery capacity, which is 4000 mAh on the Note 9, and the camera shutter button on the Galaxy Note 9? Do let me know in the comment section below. And if you find this video interesting, do hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for every new video we upload. And in the end, I would love if you share this video, and I'll see you tomorrow in the next one. Until then, peace.